Have you ever wondered how to earn from a music affiliate program? Do you often wonder how to reach the actual potential of music affiliate programs? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of increasing the revenue through music affiliate programs? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about top music affiliate programs. Now let's get into it. Recently, there was a discussion on the Music Thoughts list regarding how to develop passive income as a musician. Of course, there are many types of passive income open to musicians, but this discussion, in particular, involved using affiliate programs to earn money. For the newbie, affiliate programs are programs online that allow you to earn money by selling products or services that you do not own. Companies like Commission Junction, Linkshare, ClickBank offer a variety of affiliate programs on every subject. While companies like Amazon.com, books, music, and more, and MP3 download, free music downloads, offer more specific products or services. Building a successful affiliate income is not easy. And as internet companies come and go, they are also not a hugely reliable source of income for the long term. I prefer to focus on offering products and services for my active websites, but most of my websites were created with affiliates in mind. Consequently, I've learned the affiliate game quite well. Most people don't like sharing how much they earn from passive income. So finding those stats will be difficult. But frankly, I prefer helping folks with facts. So, here are a couple of notes on the various passive internet income sources I earn or have earned in the past. Google AdSense. Google can be great, but a lot of it depends on what keywords your site is focused on. Head over to PixelFast offers a great overture keywords and bid amounts tool, and you can find out how much people bid on certain types of keywords through the overture. Having done testing which got me banned from Google, I learned a few things when I was using Google AdSense. I found on average, I made about a pittance on each of my random websites. Some, however, did much better. Namely the free music downloads websites. You'll note at PixelFast that companies bid heavily for those keywords, with click-throughs averaging at about 45 cents per click. 70% of the income I earned on Google was from one free music download website that somehow made it high on the search results. I'm not allowed to say how much I made, but you can do the math when a site gets approximately 500 unique visits a day and has a 5 to 10% click-through rate. The point is, if you create and promote web pages with high-impact keywords, you will do fairly well. Affiliate programs. Since I'm no longer with Google, I've since learned to find other alternatives using Google-style ads. You can those on my directory of free music downloads as an example. I found other affiliate programs to fill the gaps lost by Google through ClickBank. I've focused primarily on free music downloads. The big problem I have with ClickBank is that my Mozilla browser at home doesn't like their redirects. But I still earn about $500 per month from ClickBank. MP3. This is a free music download site for MP3 download. Their affiliate links are good redirects. So I've made them much more prominent so as not to lose the income that might have been lost from ClickBank. The affiliate program is solid, paying 50% of the money they earn. So I earn about $500 per month from them. Best of all, it's paid weekly. Amazon.com usually earns me about $50 a month. And this comes from a lot of heavy referrals from my Celtic MP3s music magazine. Commission Junction. Their redirects seem to have the same problem as ClickBank. I mainly use them for web hosting services that earn about $150 per month. Linkshare. I've used it for years. Earned no money, like the vast majority of affiliate programs I've tried. I did sign up for iTunes earlier this month. And we'll see if that change matters at all. I also earn another $100 to $150 per month from the Bard's Crier Music Marketing and Promotion 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬's various affiliations with them host some of the best music marketers out there. Course, I also have a decent online CD sales income, and other artistic projects that earn me money, and I still have a day job for at least another year. The key to remembering when you're making money with affiliate programs is really to blend it into your website. For instance, if you go to 𝐤𝐨𝐬𝐬net, you can download our MP3 Tolkien, The Hobbit and Lord of the Rings, on the home page. So it creates another cookie which hopefully will earn me more income from future Amazon.com orders from that customer. This means that Google has really hit upon a great style of advertising. Oh, and vertical ads outperform horizontal ads. The site is designed for two purposes. Promote independent Celtic music by luring in signed Celtic music fans of 𝐤𝐤𝐤, the Chieftains, etc. It's a technique I learned from David Neview's How to Successfully Promote Your Music on the Internet and has proved exceptionally profitable. And promote my music. It's sales letters. Quite honestly, I detest hard sales. I don't typically care for sales letters online. But they do perform well. Some of the best-selling web pages are composed of one long sales letter, like some of the stuff you'll see at 𝐸𝐸𝐬𝐵IZ.com. I've no doubt that David makes well over web pages $3,000 a month for any of his web pages just from some of his passive income sales letters. By learning about copywriting, you can create web pages to perform just as well to promote your affiliate programs. It's an amazing skill to have. One last important note, I have no faith in most of my internet affiliate income. Sure, I think Amazon will be there for years to come. But the passion for free music downloads will die with the next internet fad. My suggestion is to create a hard product that you can sell. For instance, create and sell ebooks using your knowledge and those sales letters I mentioned. People are willing to pay for your knowledge of the most mundane things. It's not about being stupid, it's about ease. If you can compile that knowledge and sell it, more power to you. You will constantly need to fine-tune everything. And learn how search engines work. Passive money on the internet is not unreasonable. But it's also not easy. It takes quite a bit of work and a lot of patience because it can take months for search engines to find out if your website is important. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about top music affiliate programs. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.